How to make a poster in Canva step by step. Search Canva in Google. Open canva.com website. This is the latest and updated interface of Canva. Make sure you sign in your account first. You can create YouTube thumbnail, document, whiteboard, presentation, social media post, videos, website, or you can create custom size as well. We are going to create poster, so search for poster. You can create any poster here according to your choice. For this video, I am going to create hiring poster for my company. Select hiring poster. You can find a lot of templates here, and if you like any template, you can choose from here. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a custom poster. Let's start. Click on Create a Design. Search poster here. Select any poster size according to your choice. This is an editor interface where we are going to edit our poster. First, zoom your canvas a little bit. If you want, you can select any template from here as well. From here you can select any elements. Text. Brand. You can upload anything from your computer as well. You can draw anything, projects, and apps. First, change color of your canvas. Select any color which you like. I am going to select black color. Click on Elements to add any element. I am going to add oval. This is best for my poster. I make it bigger and set on top. That's look perfect. Now I am going to add text on it. Let me edit this. Now I need text again to add my company website at bottom. Edit this and change text to company website. Position this at bottom. Go on Elements and search Chair to add chair element. Click on See All. Select any chair which you like. I am going to select this one. Position chair on your poster. Now I am going to add speaker on my poster. I am going to position it here. Now I am going to add sparkle to make it more professional. Now I need more text to describe for which position my company is hiring. Change color of text. Position this text. Add more detail related to job position, what you want in candidate. Now it took me some time to adjust. Let me adjust that for you. As you can see now, this text is looking better. Now I am going to add manager element to make it looks more good. It looks perfect here. Now our poster is ready to use. Click here and change your poster name here. Now I am going to show you how to download this. Click on Download. Select any file type which you like for your poster. You can change your poster size from here if you have premium of Canva. Click on this download button. In few seconds you have poster in your laptop. If you want to edit your poster again, simply you can do that from home interface of Canva. All things are editable here. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.